In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add videos to your Wix website. If you want to make your site more engaging and visually dynamic, adding a video is a great way to do it. Whether you're showcasing a product, introducing your brand, or adding a background clip to make a page feel more alive, Wix makes the upload process very simple once you know where to look. To begin, go to the top left area of the Wix editor and click Add. This is where you'll find the tools and content options you can place onto your website. After clicking Add, choose Elements. This section gives you access to different types of media and design features that can be inserted into your page. From there, click Upload Media. This will open the Media Upload area where you can bring in your own video file directly from your device. Once you're in the upload window, you can either click to browse for your file or simply drag and drop the video into the upload area. Drag and drop is usually the quickest option, but both methods work the same way. After the upload finishes, your video will appear in your gallery. This gallery stores the media you've uploaded, so it's easy to find and reuse content later if needed. When you see your video in the gallery, click on it to select it, then click Add to Page. As soon as you do that, the video will be placed onto your Wix website. At that point, the upload and insertion process is complete, and your video is now part of the page. A helpful tip is to make sure your video file is fully ready before uploading, since this can save time later. It's also a good idea to wait for the upload to finish completely before trying to add the video to the page, especially if the file is large. If your internet connection is a bit slow, just give it a moment. And that's all there is to it. You go to Add, open Elements, click Upload Media, drag and drop your video file, select it from the gallery, and then choose Add to Page. Once you've done it once, the process becomes very quick and easy to repeat anytime you want to add more video content to your Wix website.